Hey Aurora Unit, I hope this video finds you and your family well. It is Tuesday evening, about 6 o'clock. Man, what a beautiful day today was. So I just checked the weather data for Hopewell, where I live, and right now it's 82 degrees. That's the temperature. Pretty nice for May 26th. It's sunny, clear skies, okay? No rain, no precipitation. 54% humidity. Doesn't seem too bad. It's about halfway, 54%. And the dew point is 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the dew point is it's an iffy area. It's not really uncomfortable out, but it's not the most comfortable either. It's kind of at that borderline. But overall, I hope you got outside today because it was beautiful weather. It was actually a little hot earlier in the day. But right now, in my opinion, it's perfect. Now, if you're an early riser like I am this morning, now remember it's Tuesday, there was some fog and mist early this morning that really didn't leave until late morning. That's because this morning the dew point was basically the same as the temperature. So we had that 100% humidity. The air was completely saturated, and actually some condensation or fog was forming. Now, fog is simply a low-lying cloud. So this morning, when I took my usual early morning walk, I was walking through some low-lying clouds. Now, when the sun came out as the day went on, those clouds and that condensation evaporated to the clear skies that we have right now for the rest of the day. So I really hope you had a chance to get outside. So you're watching this video, and it's Wednesday, probably Wednesday morning-ish. And your new assignment today, we're going to start focusing on another, probably the most important part of the weather, the temperature, which I'm sure you've heard that word before. When people want to know about the weather, temperature is usually the one thing they want to know about, if it's going to rain or not, and basically what it's going to feel like outside. So temperature is how hot or cold it is. And obviously, temperature can change in a small area, like it might be different from where I live to people that live in New York City. Or it can also change over a large area, like we learned that the equator is always warm and the north and south poles are colder. So this changing temperature really affects the weather and the climate that places experience. Now, temperature in the United States is measured in degrees Fahrenheit. In the science world, we don't really use Fahrenheit. You're going to hear more degrees Celsius. And also in the science world, they use a unit called Kelvin. All right, so you got your Fahrenheit, which America uses, Celsius, which pretty much the entire world uses and scientists use besides America, and then your Kelvin as well. So temperature can change. It's the measure of how hot or cold it is in an area, and we're going to learn how these changing temperatures can also eventually lead to air moving, which we call wind. And I'm so excited because that thing called the convection current is going to make a return, because that convection, watch my arms, that swirling air, okay, is basically what we're going to feel as wind. So after we do temperature, we're going to move into the wind as the next part of the weather. So for today's assignment, on Google Classroom, there are some questions that you need to answer using the textbook. So remember in school, we had those textbooks, those red books that were always at the table. Well, I basically scanned some pages that you'll need and put them on Google Classroom. All of the answers are on the textbook page. So before you message me going, Mr. Bloom, I can't find the answer to the question, they're all there. I also gave you the page you can find the answer on. And they're all about temperature. You might also hear the word thermal energy. That's Celsius and Fahrenheit in degrees. You're also going to learn what the boiling and freezing points of water are in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Use the book as that resource to help you. Okay, so make sure you complete that page. Hopefully you'll learn a little bit about temperature and what it's all about. And then we'll continue with this for the next couple days and then move into wind. Okay, so again, get outside today, enjoy that weather. I think today, Wednesday, is supposed to be another beautiful day. And I hope all is well with you, and keep up the good work. If there's anything you're missing, you're always welcome to go back and complete that work for full credit. All right, so I'll talk to you later, Aurora Unit.